You know what time it is.
W-A-K-A, can you say W-A-K-A? What you say? It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time.
Hi guys. I was just sweeping. I was cleaning up. I like when things are clean. Do you? Do you pick up your toys and clean up after yourself when you're asked? I hope so. When you put your stuff away, then things are neat and nobody can get hurt, nobody can fall, nobody can trip. So you should always clean up after yourself and put things back when you're finished. Well, do you know how to say clean in Spanish? Limpia. Limpia means clean in Spanish. Limpia. I like when things are clean. I hope you do too. Okay, guys. Let's put on our thinking caps. And let's try to guess, what am I thinking? Okay. It lives in the forest. It's brown. It's big. It's scary. And it goes, okay. Let's say it again. It's big. It lives in the forest. It's brown. It's scary. And it goes, did you guess? Do you know what I'm thinking? I was thinking a bear. Did you think of a bear? That's what I was thinking, guys. Okay. Well now, you know what I want you to do, right? It's time for you to just get silly and loosen up before we play our next game. So are you ready to get silly, silly, silly? Can you just get silly, silly, silly? Shake it out, get silly, 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 shake it off, get silly, 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 shake it off, get silly, 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 get loose, get silly, 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 get silly, silly, silly. I just want you silly. Are you silly? We're both silly. But did you get loose? Okay, I think you're ready now for our next game. Now, we're going to play thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay. The way the game goes is, if I say something that you see on your screen, give it a thumbs up. If you see something on your screen that I did not say, thumbs down. You got it? Okay, let's think. Do you see on your screen a book bag? Do you see a book bag on your screen? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay. Do you see on your screen a bear? Do you see a bear on your screen? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay. Do you see on your screen a pig? Do you see a pig on your screen? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, let's give it one more. Do you see on your screen a car? Do you see a car on your screen? Thumbs up or thumbs down? How did you do? I'm sure you did a great job, because even when you just try, you do a great job. Just keep on trying, and that's how you get better. So good job, guys. I'm so proud of you. So now you know what time it is, right? It's time for a surprise! Are you ready? Now let's see. To burn some energy, what if we get down, we get up, and we jump? Can we try that? Let's see how that goes. Are you ready? But what if instead we do a duck walk? Get up, get down. Nah, I'm being silly. Are you ready? We're gonna get down, get up, and jump. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Get down, get up, and jump, and jump. 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 Did you do it with me? Did you burn energy with me? Did you just watch me? Are you ready to try again? Okay. Let's burn some. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Get down, get up, and jump, and jump. 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 Guys, did you do it with me? Did you burn some energy? I hope you did. Because now it's time for you to go see Titi Cindy. She's going to tell you a great story. And I can't wait to hear the story and the words. So I'll see you when you get back. Bye.
I think it's all clean now, Benny. I'm tired of cleaning. Oh, hello, friends. It's so good to see you. Hi, Titi Waka. Are you here for another story? You want to know what I was doing back there? It was Benny, my friend. He's a bear, and he loves to clean, and he was trying to get me to clean, and everything just already looked clean to me. But you guys came along for a story, so I get to take a break and read you a story. Come on, gather around, put on your listening ears, and let's listen to the story. This one is called Benny the Bear Who Loved to Clean. In a cave beneath the mountaintop lived Benny the Bear with a broom and mop. That's Escoba and Trapeador, two tools that Benny did adore. While other bears would nap all day, Benny would sweep dirt away. He'd hum a tune and dance with glee. Clean is the way it's meant to be. He'd scrub the floors till they would shine, each rock and rug in perfect line. The forest creatures stopped to stare. A tidy cave? That's rare for a bear. Each morning with his apron tight, he'd mop from left to right. Then, with his escoba so wide, he'd chase the dust and leaves outside. His neighbors brought him messes too. "Can you clean my den?" asked Lou. "Of course," said Benny. "Dirt must stop. Just hand me my broom and mop." So if you're near the mountain top and hear a swish, a sweep, a pop, it's Benny Bear, the cleaning king, making his cozy cavern zing. That's Benny, and he's over there still cleaning. I know you can't see him, but you have to use your imagination. Do you remember the Spanish words that were in this little poem, this story? The first one was escoba. That's broom in Spanish. Escoba. Can you say it? Good job, friends. That was really good. The other word was trapeador. Trapeador. And that's mop. I know it's a hard word, but you'll get it. Trapeador is mop in Spanish. And those were your 2 Spanish words for the day. Did you like the story? The little poem that rhymed? Yeah, it was really cute. I have something for you before you go. You guys were so good sitting still and listening to the story. I have something in my magic pouch for you. Can you guess what it is? You're right. It's besitos. Those are kisses and they're all just for you. I hope you come back again for another story. Until next time, friends. Bye.
Hey everybody, it's Titi. Come on. You're gonna need a piece of paper and a washable marker. And remember, you always have to ask a parent or guardian for permission anytime you want to do something like this, okay? Okay, now while you go get the things that you need to draw with DTV, we're gonna dance. What do you think? I love that idea. Okay, guys, so you go get your things, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. I hope you got your things, and I hope you're ready. I'll see you soon. Have fun. Thanks, Titi Waka. Let's start.
Hey everybody, it's Titi, and today we're going to be drawing a bear. First, we're going to draw a circle for the head. Then I'm going to draw a circle on this side and a circle on this side for his ears. Putting another circle inside. Next, I'm going to draw his eyes, which is 2 more circles. And then we go ahead and color it in. Next, I'm going to draw his nose, which is an oval. Color that in a little bit. And we can never ever forget the smile. So we're going to make sure, put a line down and up, and down and up. I'm going to give my bear some eyebrows. And there you have it, a bear. Thanks for joining me, guys.
Now, before we go, you know it gotta be somebody's birthday out there today, right? So I want to say, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. I'm so happy for you. I hope you have a great day. So we're going to sing happy birthday to you now, okay? Sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. I am so happy you came to see me today. And I hope you come and see me again, okay? Remember, I love you. Bye.
Hi kids. Hello, I'm Titi Waka. Make sure you subscribe. WAKA. Can you say